Are you stuck in the same cycle of setting big goals but never achieving them? What if I told you that just one daily routine could transform your life in 2025? Stick around. This could change everything. Your morning decides your day. Start by waking up early, around 5:30 a.m. Spend 5 minutes practicing gratitude. It rewires your brain for positivity. Then visualize your goals for 2 minutes. See yourself achieving them. Finally, move your body. Even 10 minutes of exercise boosts your energy and sharpens your focus. Stop being reactive. Plan your day. Use the 1-3-5 rule. 1 big task tied to your long-term goal, 3 medium priority tasks, and 5 small wins. Tackle the hardest task first. This builds discipline and eliminates procrastination. And remember, work deeply for 90 minutes, then take a 10-minute break. Beat the midday slump by stepping outside for a 20-minute walk. Sunlight boosts serotonin, and movement clears your mind. Refuel with a healthy meal, think high protein and greens, and stay hydrated. A quick mindfulness session can reset your focus for the afternoon. End your day with reflection. Journal for 5 minutes. What went well? What can you improve? Plan tomorrow's top goal and set everything up to win. Clothes, workspace, mindset. Then wind down screen-free with a book or meditation. Sleep for 7 to 8 hours because rest fuels success. Success isn't magic, it's routine. This daily structure will give you clarity, energy, and unstoppable momentum. The question is, will you start today or wait another year to change your life? Subscribe to The Fourth Leaf for more life-changing strategies, and let's make 2025 the year everything changes for you.